food is ready. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Avi Special as usual. So if this is the first time you're seeing this face on your screen, thank you for clicking. If you're returning, thank you very much. So today's video is in the kitchen because you guys are gonna cook with me. Yeah, but don't worry, I'm not going to stress you. I'm not going to stress you, not at all, not at all. Yeah, so in this video I'm preparing native rice, Nigerian native rice. Yeah, so without wasting much of your time, let me show you guys what I'm using, then we start cooking. So you know I'm not stressing you, so just carry your popcorn and ice cream and watch me while we do the cooking together. So this is our rice, chili, onion, any seasoning you want to use, but this is the one that is available, and I'm using one seasoning cube and 2 seasoning powder. This is salt, this is crayfish. Yeah, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, this is crayfish. This is palm oil. Then this is the vegetable I'll be using. Yeah, so let's go ahead and prepare everything. Yeah, so let's start cooking. I'm going to go ahead and shake this palm oil. See how it looks like after shaking it. Yeah, pot is dried. So I'm going to add little vegetable oil to it. Just a little vegetable oil. Let me try. Yep. So at this point, this is the next. We're going to put our onion. Then stir. Just going to leave that to fry for some minutes. Then this is the next blended chili. So I'm going to leave this to fry for some minutes. So I'm going to stir it now. I'm going to go ahead and put my seasoning cube. This is no chicken seasoning cube. The magic syrup. Going to stir this. I think I need to click where I put the second magic syrup. Salt. Then water. Yeah, so I'll be boiling my rice. washed the rice already. Yeah, so I'm now going to stir it a little and cover to cook. I'm going to low the heat. Yep. So we're going to wait for our rice to cook before we put our crayfish and vegetable. So while waiting for the rice to cook, see the way I'm sweating. I want to use this medium to wish you happy new month in advance. If you watch this video today is 31st May. Hopefully I'll post it today. Then if you're watching it tomorrow, 1st of June, happy new month. Anytime you watch it, happy new month. Yeah, so that's it. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you are safe. This is me checking up on you as usual. Yeah, so let's go back to our pot. So this is what our pot looks like. I'm going to check it if the rice is soft. My hand, sorry about that. I'm going to check if the rice is soft. If it's not, then I'm going to add more water to it. I still need to add water. Yeah, so I'm going to cover it and prepare fish. Almost ready. This is our crayfish. There is no mortar here, so I did not pound it. If it's Nigeria now, there is mortar, you just pound it, and I don't want to blend it with water, so just going to put my crayfish, then add the water to it, because looking at the rice, it's still strong somehow, so I'm going to add water to it. Yeah, so our rice is almost ready. Start arranging your plate, so it's almost ready. Yeah, I'm going to stir it because the palm oil will be down, so I don't want up to be white and down will be, this is not red, orange. So let me just stir it. You can see the one coming from down has a very different color, so that's why I'm stirring it. Ew, what did I just do now? I almost threw my phone away. Yeah, it's almost ready. Start preparing your plate too, so that you will not say, AB is wicked though, should not give me food though. I'm going to cover it to cook for some minutes. Yeah, so let's put our vegetable. So I'm going to stir it. Trying to be careful here because don't want it to inside this place. Hope you have arranged your plate too. Food is ready. Yeah, so after putting your vegetable, your food is ready. Because if you now cover it, the vegetable will be just useless. So it's better you eat it when the vegetable is fresh. Yeah, so let's dive in. Yeah, so waiting for you to bring your plate. This is my own plate. I don't want to eat much now. It's later in life. Yeah. So let's test it. So nice. You sure want to try this? Try this and tell me your results. Yeah, so see you guys in my next one, and comment down below anything you want to see next, and definitely I'll get back to you.